Hello guys, so today just a short video again, and today I'm going to just show you how you can use paint tool to edit your images, maybe merge your images. So I have this image and I have opened two paints. You can just open two paints in Windows, so that's pretty easy. So what I do, I open this image, and that's just for a reference, and I press print screen here. Now I go to one of the paints and paste it over here, and I will maximize it. Now okay, and before doing that, what I'll do, I will also paste it over here as well. Now you can use any different image, but I'm just using it for a reference. So what I want to do is, let's say in this image I want to replace this person with again this person, like a second person like that. So what I'll do is, on one of the paints I will select the whole image just like before, and then I will move it over here towards the corner, unselect it, go down, select this white dot, and then move it so that this person is only selected. Let me just take it like this. Okay, and then again move it from here. So okay, so this person is selected. Now I will like this person is edited over here, just this person. So now I will select all and then copy from here. Then on this image, now that one is all done. Now on this image, what I'll do, I'll press escape so it's all unselected, and then what I'll do is I will paste the earlier image and then paste it over here, place it over here. And then if you want to maybe edit it a little bit more, what you will do is you will just again select that white dot, which will show two arrows, and you can then maybe select it or resize it to whatever you want. I will select it all again and then maybe push it a little bit to the corner, and then squeeze it a little bit. So here's my new image, and then I will save it over here, save as JPEG, maybe on the desktop.